Hi, I'm Jeff Wichman with Zacks Professional. Today I will show you how Zacks research and software can help you create investment portfolios for prospects that outperform. We have found that about half of the 1,200 advisors who use Zacks research create portfolios for prospects based on a set of model portfolios, while the other half first creates a customized asset allocation for the prospect and then adds and deletes holdings from the prospect's existing portfolio to realize the new asset allocation. Whichever approach you use to create prospect portfolios, we can smooth the way and improve the chances that your portfolio returns will be better than average. If you use model portfolios, you may want to consider the Zacks ETF model portfolios. We provide 4 models for a range of investor risk profiles which have delivered exceptional risk-return performance, and we do not charge basis points fees to use these portfolios. If you customize model portfolios to meet your prospects' needs by adding mutual funds or ETFs, the Zacks Predictive Mutual Fund Rank and Zacks ETF Rank can help you select the best funds within each category to add to the model portfolio. If you customize model portfolios to meet your prospects' needs by adding individual stocks, you'll want to consider the Zacks stock research when selecting new holdings. If you create a custom asset allocation for each prospect, our Monte Carlo asset allocation software provides the ideal starting point. You can easily show your prospect how their asset allocation will statistically impact their future retirement. By being upfront and transparent about the future uncertainty, expectations can be managed and surprises will not derail your new relationship. Once you have set the asset allocation for your prospect, to modify the prospect's existing portfolio to realize the new allocation, you first need to X-ray the holdings of the ETFs and mutual funds in the existing portfolio to reveal the hidden underlying asset allocation, so you know where you need to increase weights and where to decrease weights. Our comparison portfolio report does this complex analysis for you quickly with the click of a mouse. To reduce the weight of an asset class in a prospect's existing portfolio, we suggest that you use Zacks' own sell recommendations and the sell recommendations from 150 brokerage firms to remove the individual stocks and use Zacks sell recommendations to find the weak holdings for ETFs and mutual funds. To increase the weight of an asset class, we suggest you screen over 20,000 stocks, ETFs, and funds using Zacks recommendations, your own valuation metrics, quant models proven in academic literature, Zacks quant models, and any ratios you can calculate from hundreds of data items for each security. If your final step is to fine-tune the prospect's asset allocation based on forecasts of the future returns of the asset class, we provide 2 independent forecasts of asset class returns that you may find helpful. The first is Zacks' own asset class returns forecast made by the Zacks Market Strategy team led by John Blank, our Chief Investment Strategist. The other option is the consensus of the forecasts of asset class returns made by other market strategists that respond to our quarterly survey. Once the client portfolio exists, to ensure that the client's expectations remain realistic, many advisors like to create a custom benchmark and track performance versus the benchmark. With a few clicks, Zacks software creates custom benchmarks that match your prospect's new asset allocation using index ETFs. To ensure that your new client is happy with his account performance versus his custom benchmark, use our portfolio reporting software to send your new client a monthly, quarterly, or annual PDF that tracks actual performance versus his custom benchmark or versus any hundreds of other benchmarks. No matter what process you use to create new portfolios for prospects, Zacks research and software tools can help you smoothly transition your new relationship from a prospect to a client and increase the chance that his new portfolio will perform as expected. Call us now for a quick demo of how our stock, ETF, and mutual fund research can improve the performance of your client accounts and how our software tools can streamline your investment process.